In this video, we're breaking down the best passive income ideas for 2026. We're looking at how these passive income ideas actually work and how you can start implementing them today. Let's get into it. Number one is dividend investing. Dividend investing is one of the most traditional passive income ideas. This is where you invest in companies that pay shareholders a portion of their profits on a regular basis. While dividend investing can generate income over time, it's important to remember it requires capital and returns are not guaranteed. It's generally considered a long-term strategy rather than a quick income solution. You can do this a couple of different ways. You can invest in a particular or individual company, and one of the more popular ways today is by doing it through index funds or ETFs. Number two is a high yield savings account. High yield savings accounts have become popular in recent years due to the spikes that we've seen in inflation. People have seen their purchasing power get eroded away year by year, and they're looking for ways to combat that. All a high yield savings account is a savings account that pays you interest for having money in it. This is one of the lowest risk options available, but the trade-off is that returns are usually modest compared to investing. Still, it's a good place for emergency funds or short-term savings. Number three is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular online passive income ideas today. It works by recommending products through a link that you share to your audience, and if they click on that link and go purchase the product, you earn a portion of that sale. You aren't responsible for creating the product, keeping the product as inventory, or shipping the product. You just lead the consumer to the product, and if they purchase it, the company gives you a commission for that sale. The key here is content. Blog posts, videos, or social media posts can continue generating traffic over time, even after they're published. But it's important to understand, it takes time to build an audience before it becomes passive. Number four is creating digital products. Digital products have become another strong passive income idea. This could be done through creating things like ebooks or templates, spreadsheets, or other online tools. Once a digital product is created, it can be sold repeatedly without needing to recreate it each time. But the challenge is building enough visibility and trust to generate consistent sales. The fifth passive income idea is by creating online courses or educational content. If you have knowledge on a particular topic, you can pack it into a course and distribute that to your viewers. Or in the case of content creation, it's exactly what I'm doing right now with YouTube. Like digital products, courses require upfront effort to create, but once built, they can continue generating income over time with relatively low ongoing work. Another well-known passive income source is rental income. This involves owning property and renting it out to tenants. Rental income can be powerful, but it also comes with responsibilities, maintenance, vacancies, and property management. So while it can be passive, it often still requires oversight. Now, here's something super important to understand. There is no real set it and forget it passive income stream for most people starting out. Almost every passive income stream is going to require time. Time to build it, effort to set it up, and consistency to keep it growing. The people who succeed with passive income usually don't chase quick results. They focus on building systems that pay off over time. So to recap, some of the best passive income ideas for 2026 include dividend investing, high yield savings accounts, affiliate marketing, digital products, online courses, and rental income. Each one has different levels of risk, effort, and potential opportunity. But the common theme is this: passive income is built, not found. I'm curious. What passive income idea are you thinking about starting right now? Let me know down in the comments. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, I really appreciate you. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos on the best side hustles or passive income ideas. I really appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next one.